Stop right there before you try to figure out how to create TikTok ads account on your own. If you set this up incorrectly, you risk getting your payment card permanently banned before your first campaign even goes live. This is the exact nightmare scenario that thousands of new advertisers face every single day. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create TikTok ads account the right way. I will walk you through the entire process step by step so you do not make any costly mistakes. We are going to cover 3 critical steps today that will protect your business. First, we will walk through the exact business account setup process to ensure you start on a solid foundation. Second, I will reveal the essential security protocols to prevent your account from getting suspended by the algorithm. Finally, I will show you how to unlock a massive ad credit to fund your initial campaigns. Let us get started right now. The very first thing you need to do is go to the official TikTok for Business registration page. Click on the Sign Up button and prepare to enter a dedicated business email address. Do not use a generic email. Try to use an email associated with your professional domain. Create a strong password that you have never used anywhere else to ensure maximum security. You will then receive a verification code in your email inbox. Enter that code immediately to verify your identity and proceed to the next stage. Once you pass this screen, you will need to enter your official business name. Your business name here must match your legal documents and billing statements perfectly. This level of accuracy is required to pass the platform's initial verification algorithms. If there is even a slight discrepancy, your account review will be delayed. Before we move on to the billing section, you need to know about an exclusive opportunity. If you register directly without a partner link, you might miss out on incredible growth incentives. Unlock growth on TikTok ads with a limited time offer. Claim up to $6,000 in ad credits to power your first TikTok ads and drive sales, installs, brand awareness, and community growth faster. When you use the link down in my video description, this offer will be automatically applied. You do not need to enter any complicated promo codes or contact support. Just click the link in the description right now, open it in a new tab, and continue following along with me. Now that you have your account framework, let us talk about the TikTok Business Center. The Business Center is your central hub for managing pixels, ad accounts, and team members. Think of it as the master control room for all your advertising efforts. Once your Business Center is set up, you cannot run ads effectively without installing the TikTok Pixel. The TikTok Pixel is a piece of code that tracks visitor activity on your website. Without it, the algorithm has no idea who is buying your products or filling out your forms. To create your pixel, navigate to the Tools section in the top menu and select Events. Choose Web Events and follow the prompts to generate your unique pixel code. You can install this manually into your website's header or use partner integrations. Installing the pixel early is crucial because it needs time to gather data and learn about your audience. Always use the TikTok Pixel Helper extension on your browser to verify that it is firing correctly. Once the pixel is active, you can finally explore the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. The dashboard is divided into 4 main sections, including Dashboard, Campaign, Assets, and Reporting. The Campaign tab is where you will spend the majority of your time creating your ad groups and ads. The Assets tab holds your creative library, custom audiences, and tracking pixels. Familiarize yourself with this interface because it will be your daily workspace. You will want to navigate to the Billing section inside the Business Center next. This is where you will input your business address and tax information. Make sure your tax identification number is accurate so you are billed correctly according to your local laws. Now we arrive at the most critical part of this entire tutorial. A massive number of advertisers get their accounts suspended the exact moment they add a payment method. This is an incredibly frustrating experience, but it is completely avoidable. The primary reason this happens is a mismatch in your billing details. TikTok's fraud detection system is highly sensitive and entirely automated. The name on your Visa or Mastercard must perfectly match the business name you entered earlier. If you use a card belonging to someone else, the system will immediately flag it as suspicious activity. Even using a virtual credit card can sometimes trigger a manual review process. I highly recommend using a physical, traditional bank card for your initial setup. Furthermore, you must ensure your internet connection is completely stable. Never use a virtual private network or proxy when creating your account or adding payment details. Logging in from an IP address that jumps across different countries will instantly trigger a security lockdown. Always log in from your actual physical location using a standard home or office network. The algorithm tracks your location consistency to prevent fraudulent account creation. Another crucial tip is to warm up your new account slowly. Do not deposit thousands of dollars on day one. Start with a small test budget to let the platform verify your payment gateway naturally. Allow the system to process a few small transactions successfully. This builds trust between your billing method and the advertising platform. Protecting your account infrastructure is just as important as the actual ads you run. If you ignore these security protocols, you risk losing access to the advertising platform entirely. Let us do a quick recap of everything we just covered. To build a healthy and sustainable advertising foundation, you must input your exact time zone and currency. You must ensure your billing information is identical to your legal business name. And you must operate on a clean, local internet connection without any routing masks. If you follow these strict guidelines, your account will be fully prepared to launch optimized campaigns. Do not forget to activate your advertising fund before you leave. Click the link in the description to claim up to USD $6,000 in ad credits before the program ends. Having this extra capital gives you the freedom to test different creative angles without risking your own money. Click the video on your screen right now to watch my complete step-by-step guide on running your first TikTok ad. I will walk you through the targeting, the creative process, and the budgeting strategies. I will see you over in that video. If you use my link to create your account, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you for your support.